Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing here. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to achieve most beautiful top knot build hairstyle. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. So what we have here, we have our comb, we have our brush, we have our rubber band, we have our thread and needle, we have our wig brush, we have our hair straighter, we have our contour conditioner, we have our bright wet gel, then we have braid extension. So here we go for the hair, guys. And I use contour conditioner to sleek down my hair, as you can see right now, guys. And if you want to learn more about this channel, please kindly subscribe now so that you won't miss any of my video, guys. And don't fail to share and leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think, guys. Okay, and please, guys, don't fail to watch this video to the end so that you will know how I start and how I end this video. Okay, so what I do here, I use the thread to tie the hair. Okay, guys, like the way you are going to be seeing it right now. I hope you can see how I use the thread to tie the hair around. Okay, guys. The next thing I do, I use bright wet gel to slip down my hair, as you can see right now, guys. Please subscribe now, share, like, press the notification bell, guys. Okay, thank you. I am going to be using Lagos Expression Braid Extension color T1 350 for this hair, guys, and I use 2 bundles of this hair, guys. Okay, please help your girl to subscribe, like, press the notification bell. Okay, right now I'm going to be using rubber band to hold the hair, as you can see right now, guys. I hope you do like the way I am slowly and achieving this hair, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Do you want to be seeing more of my video? So just do that for me right now, guys. to subscribe to this channel, share, like, press the notification bell. In case of each time I upload video, you shall be notified at any time. Thank you guys for doing that for me. God bless you. We are going to be sewing our hair with threads just to secure the hair. Maybe the way we sew it now, maybe this can be able to last us for 2 weeks. Yeah, and as you can see the way I'm sewing it right now, I hope you can see it, guys. So what we have to do right now, we have to bring out our hair stretcher to stretch our hair with a low heat to avoid burning, guys. Okay, like the way you're seeing it right now. Do you like the way I achieved this hair, guys? Please, if this video is helpful to you guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.